welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for coming back. And if you're new, hi, I'm Imani. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a can you not? Yeah. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a mukbang. I don't know how you pronounce it, but however you pronounce it, you know. And I'm going to be answering some assumptions you guys made about me on Instagram. Yeah, so let's just get right into the video. I ordered food from Bitburger. I ordered sausage and fries, McDonald's fries, and a beef burger, double cheeseburger, a single chicken thigh from KFC, a single chicken thigh, because oh, and you know, waist trainer is live. I'm new to the waist training world, but sis is trying to get snatched, making me have a little, you know, I have it on the second one. I did it on the third one before, but I was like, no man, you're gonna murder yourself. So for all this food I'm about to eat, I had to throw my waist trainer on because I'm not playing. How am I do this then? Just start eat. Just start eat. Because like literally, I'm not eating nothing from morning. Like I'm not eating nothing from morning. I took a bite of one of the sausage though. I took a bite of it. I'm not going to use no fork because I'm not going to give me right now. I'm too hungry for that. First assumption, I'm funny. People say I'm fun. I think I'm fun. I say I'm fun all the time. I'm like that friend you want to go out with because I know how to turn up. You know? Oh, you're so perfect. Dog. I'm not perfect. Like, it's funny how like I use that word so loosely with people. Like, I always just say like I love seeing cute girls, and then I'm just like, oh my god, they're so perfect, like them just look good and whatever. So like I take that as a compliment. Like I'm just like, thank you. Like in my head I feel good. I feel damn good because I know how I feel when I compliment people and say they're perfect. Even though in reality I know they're not perfect or whatever the hell, but you know you're damn close. Really and truly, I'm not perfect, and I think that you, the person saying it, knows that I'm not perfect either, but it's just that feeling. So if that's what's going on, I feel you. But I'm not perfect, but I feel you. Thank you. Somebody say, you're that. I am that, like I am. I am, like even if I'm not, I am, okay? Thank you for seeing that. You're not very talkative. I'm very talkative. I talk a lot. The only time I won't talk to people is if I don't know them. Like you're not going to hear me in a pub, in a like one random space with random people just being friendly. I don't do that. Like I don't do friendly. I'm having a headache. But so they're not too talkative. Shoot me. Someone says definitely not single.
Goddamn right.
If you have me on Instagram, you know I'm not single. Like, sister ain't single. You see how down here so burn up? I mean, it's not like I know people them give me it, so I put it in the oven and it burns, but it's good. I like it. It's not bad. Horrible person. No know why Matty them friend you. First of all, or I'ma call you out. Or Matthew and Brandon love me. Okay? They love me. Like them niggas love me. Okay? They love me, that's all I can say. And I love them. You know? Those are my babies. Those are my A1s from day ones. My brothers from different mothers. Like, we're family. But not really, but we're family. Just know say somebody may know say that. So no random person gonna go and disrespect my friendship like that. I was not gonna have it. But or I might get you, don't worry yourself. I might get you. I feel like because I know I'm on camera, I'm chewing extremely bad because I don't normally eat like this. I don't feel like this is how I normally eat. Because that'd be very strange to think that I'm around people and I eat like this and no one has ever said anything. Yeah, I'm having the worst headache, like and I'm just starting to think about all the things that could possibly be going wrong. Like, let's take this off for 1 minute and see what happens. Okay, I think I'm just going to keep this off because it's giving me a headache. So, and it's so sad because it's so cute. I just keep it on and just. I think I'll take the headache. Am I gonna finish the food before I finish the questions? That would be sad. Alright. I have one more sausage. Let me try.
What we do here is go back.
I like you and been admiring you for the longest. Should have known you since Monroe. No, you shouldn't have. I was ugly. You wouldn't have liked me. I'm still popping though. You have money. Are you there? Wait, are you there? I don't have no money. I don't have no money. Like, I have no money. When I think about it for real. No. I have no money. I'm broke. Like, I don't. That question actually made me sad. I really don't have no money for true. You're a very neat, no-nonsense person who enjoys your own company. I don't say I'm the neatest person, but I'm not. I try to be, but I'm not really. No nonsense. I won't even say that either, you know, because we're so full of foolishness. Like, I don't even know. Me take things for joke more while I won't take things too seriously, but when it comes to taking shit seriously, like if I'm supposed to take something seriously, you will know just by my facial expression change. I don't have a friend around me that don't know when something to me. Like, it just, I cannot hide my facial expressions. If something pisses me off, there's no hiding it. There's no going back from there. It's going to show. But I'm not really a no-nonsense person. Like, I'm very free-spirited. I'm enjoying my own company. I love being by myself. Like, I love hanging out with my friends too and everything like that, but I don't mind. I'm not one of those persons that requires the company of someone else. I can do bad all by myself. Like, I legit can survive on my own. Like, it's really not a thing for me. Like, having people around me is not really that big of a deal to me. What is this stuff? I don't know what that is. I think you're a badass. That's bad AF. Thank you. I think so too. No, this question didn't get me. Right? Not get me as in get me, but like more like get to me. And it came from an unknown like profile. And it was, you seem the type to compliment someone, then talk about them when they leave the room. I guess this person is implying that I'm a hypocrite, like I look like a hypocrite or something like that. But let me get one thing straight. I do not enjoy being a hypocrite. I think everybody has hypocritical qualities. But that's not something I enjoy or indulge. I try to be as straightforward as possible. If I compliment you, that is a compliment, and that's what it's going to be. Whether you're in the room or you're not in the room. It's just what it is. If I don't like something, I'm not one of those persons who going to get up and just give you my opinion on your outfit, tell you I don't like your outfit or whatever like that, because I don't like people who say so. If you never ask my opinion, I'm not going to give it to you. You have a huge heart and make anyone who comes in your presence feel loved. That is very sweet. That is very sweet. I consider myself a really loving person. Like, if I love you, like if I consider you a friend, 100% I'm going to go all out for you. Like, in whatever way I can, I will 100% be there for you. So like, I'd like to think that my friends think that about me, like that I make them feel loved. I only have the fries left. I don't think I'm gonna eat that right now. And weirdly, I don't feel full. It's just that I'm tired of chewing. Like, I'm not even full. But for the last question of the night, you know how to throw hands. Yeah, you know how to throw hands. I don't fight, but if it comes to it, I will fight. Like, I don't enjoy fighting or anything like that, but I am not going to be the type, like I would never be the type of person for somebody come talk to me too heavy, or like, you know, try to push them hand in my face or something like that, and you're going to see me take it. Like, I cannot argue for shit, so I will throw hands. So there's no, I don't know if I'm gonna win or not, but I will throw hands. And if I don't win now, I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna come back with people. so yeah, just know I'm not the type of person to be bullied or anything like that. Like, you, there's no bullying me. It's not happening. So I want to thank all of my Instagram followers that participated in my polls. You guys are always like participating in the polls that I put up, and I appreciate that because it helps a lot with my videos, because that's where I get most of like my ideas from and such. And yeah, you guys are really helping, and you guys are participating, and I love the love that you guys are showing me. And I'm going to have something special for you guys soon, so stay tuned to my channel. Make sure y'all subscribe, because I'm working on a little something for y'all. Okay, So I'll be watching you guys, and just keep on participating. Just keep on, you know, loving on your girl, because she's loving on y'all. But thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate the feedback. I really do appreciate you guys participating. It helps a lot. And like, just thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys. Mwah.